It is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really cold today and I have my big warm sweater on, and I thought what would make it more cozier? Hot cocoa, of course. So today we're going to make vegan hot chocolate. Ooh. So to make our vegan hot chocolate, we're gonna need any plant-based milk, and my favorite is almond. And for sugar, we're gonna use maple syrup. You could use honey or sugar, but I think a little bit of this goes a long way. Yes, because it's really sweet. And I am debating on whether to use a powdered chocolate or a chocolate bar. And yeah, so I love the fact that this one is fair trade. That is really good. And you cannot believe how long I have looked for this. I finally found a vegan whipped cream. Oh, and I have tasted it and it's so good. So guys, let's start making the hot cocoa. Vegan hot cocoa. So I have decided to use the chocolate bars and ooh, wow, so neat. Alright, let me first taste it. It's not that bitter, it's actually good. I don't think we need maple syrup for this. So that is good. It's good. It's good, so maple syrup is up. Good. I have my pot here, so we're gonna put that on. And I'm going to cut this in pieces. I don't know how many I need, so I'm going to put 3. Yes. No, 2. Now I put in my milk. I don't have much, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. I love hot chocolate. Ooh, 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 ooh. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe if you like these types of videos, and you can comment and even share. It's all free. Yay! Right now our hot chocolate is done, and now we're gonna put it in our cup and top it off with our favorite things. Ooh. Our whipped cream has a little bit of sugar, and the hot chocolate is of course a little bit bitter, a little bit too textured. So this is going to make it all, I don't know the word, much better. So let's put in our top. Oh, this is my favorite cup of tea. Now I'm gonna go sit in front of the TV and watch a movie and drink my hot cup of vegan chocolate. I'm so happy about this and the fact that it's vegan. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. See you in the next video. See you.